Adobe goes and releases the most insane design tool ever, and most brands don't even use it, which is crazy because it's free to use and around with. I'm not being paid a cent to promote this tool, but I'm sharing this with brand owners because it will save you days, weeks, and months of your time. Just as an example, let's say that you wanted to make product photos for your clothing brand's website that look exactly like the hoodies on the Supreme website. You can do that in literally 1 second to almost perfect accuracy. If you're not that good at Photoshop or Illustrator, listen up, because this is going to save you so much time, and it's now easier than ever to just crank out amazing design work. Just stick with me to the end of this video. I promise it's going to be so valuable for you. So let's say that you want to make this exact same hoodie that they have on the Supreme website, of this repeat script hoodie, the exact same structure, the exact same way that it looks with the shadows. You can do that in literally a second. All you have to do is save the image or screenshot the image and go to Adobe Firefly. You can either go to adobe.com/product/firefly, or you can just put Adobe Firefly into Google. When you hit create now, you can upload that photo that we just saved or took a screenshot of, that Supreme hoodie, and upload it as a reference image. This gives Adobe Firefly exactly what to look at and what to generate a new image based on. But let's say I want to make a new mock-up of this exact same Supreme hoodie, but in black. This is what I'd write as a prompt. Make a mock-up of this exact same hoodie without any branding in the color black. Remove the logos on the front and in the neck so that it is just a blank hoodie. Look at this mock-up that Firefly creates for you in literally a second. And it's the exact same hoodie shape. It looks really clear, it looks really clean, but it's just in black now. The zipper looks perfect, and it's removed all of the logos and all the tags. And just keep in mind that this is just an example. You can use this however you want for your brand. You can go on Google, look at different images, screenshot it, and then get Firefly to create new mock-ups. It doesn't even need to be hoodies. It could be t-shirts, hats, different products for different types of brands. It could be anything. Another way that I use this tool that would have literally taken me so much time only 5 years ago is, let's say I've got a product on my website that's in the color gray and I want to change it to red. In the past, I would have had to go into Photoshop and try and change the colors around, but there's all those little shadows inside of the mock-up or inside of the photo that you took that you want to keep, and when you try and change the colors around, it kind of just blows out the colors and it makes it look weird. In Firefly, if I wanted to change the color of this gray hoodie to red, I can upload that gray hoodie as a reference image, and then using the edit tab, I can get it to change the color of this hoodie to red, and I use the prompt. I want this exact same hoodie to look the exact same, but change the color to red. Leave the logo on the hoodie in white just as it is. Boom, you've got a new mock-up for your website in the color red that kept all the shadowing, and it looks really, really good. And you can do this with any color. So if you wanted to come out with a hoodie that's the exact same mock-up but in 5 different colors, boom, 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 you could just make those different colors really quickly. Another really important thing to note if you're trying this for the first time is that at the top there are 2 little toggles. One's called generate and one's called edit. If you're trying to edit a photo that you have and just change the color of things, change things around, use the edit toggle. And if you're trying to create a brand new photo from a reference image, use the generate. I should probably have gotten paid to make this video, but whatever. Okay, what I'm gonna show you next is absolutely nuts, all right? This is my favorite use case of this tool. I've got this amazing photo that a photographer took for my brand of this fall setting, this girl sitting on a rock, rocking our K-Bud hoodie for small town Canada. It just looks sick. Let's say I wanted to release this exact same hoodie in olive green color. And I've got this amazing photo, and it would be nice to use this photo to promote that new hoodie. I can change just the color of the hoodie that she's wearing to olive green and keep everything else in this image the exact same, while maintaining all of the little shadowing, all of the little details of the photo and the hoodie and the wrinkles and the littlest details to like basically 100% accuracy. So in Firefly, I'm using the edit toggle, and I've just uploaded this image, and I'm using the prompt, change only the color of the hoodie she's wearing to olive green, leave the logo in white just the way it is. And when I hit generate, it goes through this little magical AI process, and boom, look at this image. It's the exact same. The hoodie looks exactly like our olive green barnyard hoodie that literally we could sell on our website. And all that we've done is just change the color of the hoodie she's wearing, and it looks sick. Let's say after this, you decide you want to change the color of the beanie hat she's wearing to match the color of the hoodie she's wearing. I can just write another prompt. Change the color of the beanie hat she is wearing to olive green. What do you know? It looks sick. And this isn't just perfect for making photos for your website or for your social media. This is also great if you just want to see for your own brand how different colors of things will look in different products. You can just play around with it, and it just gives you such a good view of things before actually releasing those products. Now, you know what? I'm not done with this photo. I want to keep making changes to it. Let's change the background setting from this beautiful fall setting to a winter setting. I'm writing the prompt, make it a winter setting in the background instead of fall, and add snow and make the pond ice and snowy. Man, like how sick is this? It added a completely new winter background to the photo, and it even added little snowflakes to her shoulders just in details, and the lighting all works. It just looks great. In a second, I'm gonna share with you 3 more ways to use this design tool for your brand. But first, on the topic of AI design tools, I wanna let you know the sponsor of this channel over at design.com. If you need sick logo designs for your brand, pop open a new tab, go to design.com/Rob88. Type in whatever sick idea you have for a design, hit enter. Thousands of pre-made designs from designers around the world are gonna pop up. You can click on them and edit them, refine them as long as you want for free until it's perfect. If you're interested, go to design.com/Rob88. You'll get 88% off at checkout. So back to the main program here. Let me show you some more examples of how to use this tool for your brand. So I've got this sick photo of these 2 Chiquitas sitting outside in the wintertime, drinking some Tim Hortons coffee cups. Just so Canadian, right? This isn't AI, by the way. But let's say this background that they're up against really doesn't do it for me. It's just kind of boring and it's not got enough going on. Let's say instead I want them to be sitting on a fallen tree in front of a beautiful Canadian background. I'm gonna use the prompt like this. Remove the background, make them sitting on a tree log that has fallen over. In the background, create a beautiful fall scene in Canada. Smack that generate button like Akon. That might go over some of your heads, but look at how sick that background is. And I can do this in literally a million other ways if I wanted to, just change the background. The next thing I wanna show you is a little bit more technical. I've got this really sick photo of this girl sitting in like a cornfield wearing her K-Bud hoodie. It just looks like a really sick photo, maybe for the top of our website or wherever we wanna use it. But just based on however the photo was taken and the lighting, you can see that there's kind of like a glare on the logo of the hoodie on the front, and I just want to clean that up. In Firefly, using the edit feature, I can get it to change the glare level on the logo of that hoodie, and you can see that the more prompts I'm using, the better and better it's getting, and it just takes away some of that glare. And this is just a great way to use this product to make little changes to photos like this, where there might be something off, like a little glare or like an extra like hair or something in the image you want to get rid of, and it'll just clean it all up for you. And another example that I really want to share with you is something that I would have used like crazy 10 years ago. It would have been so much easier doing all of this when I was running giveaways, but I took this really great photo that doesn't look all that special of just our burgundy crest hoodie sort of just hanging in front of our clothes. And I like this hoodie for giveaways because it looks really raw. It looks like the company's just kind of put it up there hanging just to give it away. And let's say I wanted to change the color of this hoodie to black, because maybe you're just coming out with this hoodie in black and you don't want to have to recreate the vibe and the feeling of that photo all over again. You just want to do it really quickly using the exact same photo. In the edit tab, I'm using the prompt, change the color of the hoodie that is hanging from maroon/burgundy that it is now to black. Leave everything else the same, including the logo on the front exactly the way that it is. And it's really nice when I hit generate here, it basically creates the exact same image, but with that exact same hoodie in the color black. And this will just save you so much time having to take photos and remake photos. Sometimes it's just really hard to create all of those little intangibles and the feeling of some photos. Maybe you changed the room that you were in when you took it and you missed that and you want to just change the color of that hoodie. That's one amazing way to do it. Now, if you're running your own brand and you want to join a community of other brand owners, helping each other, sharing strategies for what's working, check out the Apparel Success Mastermind. I just lowered the cost drastically to let in new members, make it more affordable. This isn't some money grab for me. I'm just trying to get a ton of people in there so that we've got an amazing community. It's only 25 bucks a month, just the cost of a pizza. You can cancel anytime. No pressure to join, but there's a link in the description if you want to. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.